Are you sick and tired of influencers lying to your beautiful little faces? Let's try this stuff in real time to see if they're bops or flops. Full discretion, I don't get paid for anything off of these products. These are things I've bought with my own money and just wanted to try to see if I would like them and if it was a dollar well spent. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try the infamous curve case. I've honestly been really dying to get my hands on these, and ever since they came from the TikTok shop, girl, I cannot talk today, TikTok shop, I was really excited to get one. So I got this in the shade light, and I've already swatched, like, I want to say 4, as you can tell, because I live in Arizona. You can tell these baby girls were sweating. Okay, they were sweating. But yeah, so let's go ahead and swatch these all, and we'll just see how they look on my face all together. But we'll swatch them all on my face. This is the color Strawberry Cream. Okay, pigment. Okay, pigment. We have the color Cold Heart. Oh, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. That's pretty. Okay. And just so you know, this is gonna be the rag that I like wipe everything off of, so that way you can see the colors, and that way there's no cutsies, okay? There's the other color and this color. We're not fugsing around, okay? Coral. Make sure I'm not putting it on top of the other one. Ooh, that's pretty. That's so that's like super subtle. You know what I mean? Super crazy subtle. Wiping it off on the handy dandy truth rag. Snatcheral. Sorry. I was like, what the flip? Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty orange. That slays. Okay. Okay, Starburst colors. That's slaying. We're gonna try the shade Chocolate. Right? No, I'm a dumbass. It literally says collectible. Oh Lord. Ooh, that's gonna be a perfect contour shade. What? Okay. Ah, that ate. Okay. Alright, I'm just trying to, work with the cream. Okay, that's like, whoa, that's crazy subtle. Oh my god. Can y'all even damn. Okay. Okay, her. Good good contour shades in here, honestly. You have one that's a little more deeper and one that's honestly so subtle you can damn. Okay. Hi Luna, I know you wanna get in the thick of it. Ooh, those are nice. They glide so pretty on the skin. You know what I mean? They're sitting gorge. They're sitting gorge. And we have our little truth rag, you know what I mean? Okay, and we have one last shade to actually swatch, so let's go ahead and get into that. This one is called Shady Business. This is the darkest one in the palette. Ooh, okay. These are so pretty. They feel so nice on my skin. They feel lightweight. They have the coverage you're looking for. Yeah, I mean, so far, I can't wait to do a look with these, but 10 out of 10 in my book right now. These are cute, and I can't wait to see. I've seen the other girlies, especially the girlies that have darker skin tones, put this on, and it just looks so beautiful and supple. I can't wait to see more girlies try it, and just, oh my god. Don't get me wrong, it's not an unknown product or anything, but the fact that it's on literal TikTok is so fucking cool. Oh my god. Period. Highly recommend. And it was really easy to take off, so highly recommend. So if you set it with whatever you're gonna set it with, I'm sure it's gonna last. But we haven't beat our face yet with it, so I cannot definitively say how long it would last you. But pigmentation wise, the way it feels and everything, 10 out of 10. And I know y'all have seen these be advertised you through hell, and I was looking for something that had a lot of browns and warm tones, neutral tones, just some tones, you know what I mean? And there's quite a bit. You can buy I think a set of almost over 100 or maybe 50 for $12, and it comes with a lot of colors. But this says long lasting, so we're gonna, whoa. We're gonna see if it actually is pigmented and if it is long lasting. I'll make sure to put like whatever color I choose to wear and do like a wear test of all day to see how long it lasts, and I'll let the baby girls know. But let's do a couple swatches and we'll do every color on my lips. I don't know why I'm narrating it like it's a fucking 5-minute craft video, but I don't have any names, they go by numbers, so shade 4 out of the box. Okay. This is like almost just like a little bit like of a warmer, I would say like a more of a deeper, warmer tone than my natural lips. I'm probably so wrong about that, but about the warm or whatever, but yeah, I really like this. It goes on really smooth, it's really buttery, and we'll see how long it lasts at the end of the day, you know, with the color. So, I don't know what to, whoa, shade number 3, tres. That's not bad. Ooh, that would be like so gorge on someone with like, I don't know, maybe a darker skin tone or something. You just really can't see it on mine. But that's okay. If you're gonna go for like, I'm wearing nothing, but it looks like something when I'm wearing nothing, this is the lip. The next shade we have is 10. This is what it looks like. It's a really like chocolatey brown. Ooh, that's pretty. Especially if you were to fill it in, gloss it, add something or not, or just let that eat. That's pretty. This is shade 2. It's like a mauve-y. And these are like one swipers, you know what I mean? So for it to have that decent amount of pigment for, I think I got this for like $6 or $4 or something, or like a deal. I think normally it's like 12 or so, I'm not sure. I'm not selling y'all product. I'm just trying to remember the fucking price that I got it at. But yeah, these are cute. Let's swatch the other ones. Blah 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 blah. This is shade 6. This one's really cute too. This one's like really skin tone, a little orangey, a little peachy moment. Oh yeah, this one's really cute too. This one's like a brown, purplish red. This one's cute. This one is number 5. This one's really pretty too. This is like a orangey, like brown. Okay, this one is number 10. Okay, these glide really well, especially for like fresh out the thing. Usually lip liners are like so stiff and harsh, but these are really buttery. Then we have number 8. It's like, I would say it's like a peachy red with like a hint of brown. Then you have number 11. Like you can see, it's so light. It's so pretty. And don't worry, that's just because like we're, you know, it's new, so we're just like warming it up. That's crazy. That's such like a classic. This is shade 9. Almost said 6. Ooh, these are nice. This is like a classic warm tone. A little bit of gray, just a little bit of hints of brown with like, I want to say like, not orange, but yeah, about gray and brown. Super cute. And this is our last color, which is number 7. Oh wow, that's like a gray concealer lip. That's like another one. That's crazy. This one's a little more like, I wouldn't say pigmented, but I guess more like, it just shows up on my lips a little more because it's not as almost the same shade of it. So yeah, these are really nice. They feel super lightweight, buttery. Like they don't feel heavy on your lip at all. I think there is beeswax made in these, so that explains why they feel really good on your lips. And pigment wise, these are really nice. If you're looking for some brown shades and you're not trying to break the bank and just spend $25 on one, these are the girls. These are who you want to call. These are where you want to like credit card, call them girly, okay? The last things we're gonna try are the very Americanized version of a Kohl. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I looked up a couple videos to pronounce it. Apologies if I absolutely butchered it, but I wanted to try some and I didn't know which was authentic, so if you girlies know, please drop it down below. I have the colors black and then I had the color green, and from the videos that I saw that were instructing the girlies who don't know how to use this, they said... Sorry, my cat's getting into something, hold on. Anyways, I don't know what the hell she was doing, but they said you're gonna want to dust it off because there's a lot of product on there, and you don't want to get that everywhere on everything, so dust it off. And I'm so nervous because I have like a thing with my eyes, so to put something literally this close, I'm really scared. But the girlies said put it in your eye and just go. Oh no, I didn't get it there. Okay, I messed up, hold on. Sorry y'all, I had to fix the little inner corner, we had too much pigment there. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You're learning so many important things.
Woo!
And I'm so proud of you.
Woo! 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 Okay, I just have to figure out how to do it, but it's looking pretty so far. Okay, so I was able to do it after, you know, struggling for a second, but I was able to like tightline it and everything. It feels great on my eye, it feels like I'm wearing nothing. It's just something in my eye that I just have to get used to that situation. But let me go ahead and do the green one, so I'll be right back. I like having a pigment on there.
Let's see if we can guess the crime from these mugshots, and apparently these are absurd. He's not even looking at the camera, wow, so he must be really shameful then. Probably something about like public indecency, I'd guess. Domestic assault with a McChicken?
Considering we haven't hey. Okay, that color's pretty. It's just putting something in my eye. My texture thing. But it doesn't hurt, it doesn't bother me, it's just putting something in my eye. It's just the act of it. You just gotta get used to it, it's different. So just be patient with yourself if you have an issue with that. Let me fix this up and like, you know, get it looking good. Here are the two colors. The green looks really, really pretty. I really love the black. Yeah, they're gorge. I can't wait to like actually know like what to look for when it comes to like looking for like an actual authentic and real one. I just gotta get used to the stick. If you have any tips and tricks, I would love to hear them because it's a struggle. It's so scary to me. I don't know why. I just have it like even at the eye doctors. Like, you know the thing that blows in your eye? Dude, that's my enemy number one right there. Like the outer saboteur, okay? Yeah, spooky the dookies. So this is the lip before anything, and I use the color number 10 to, you know, do the outline. I just put like a little bit of like orange sparkly gloss on top, but we'll see how long she'll last, especially with the gloss and eating and drinking coffee. So I'll be back to report to the team, okay? Okay, stand by.
Excuse me, you pushed me earlier. How rude!